Hi guys, today I will be showing you this product that I just purchased for my shoes. So this is a Scholl GelActiv Sport, superior comfort for energetic feet. So I need this one for my work shoe. So this can be used in other applications. So like just for walking, running shoes. But I specifically will use this on my work shoe because the sole on that one is quite hard, and I need some cushion protection. So you can see here, so it's GelActiv. So I'll just open this now so you can see the product. So maybe just break this one. Okay. Now it's broken, so I can take this out. Yeah. Okay. So really nice. It's soft. So you can see here. So I can cut this to size here, and it's quite really soft. And but with the protection here for the arc of the feet. Then this is also washable. Alright, so I'll be using this one on my work shoe, as I said before. Then that's it. So this one with the gel, so for the heel, so it will absorb the impact. So again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe.